Hi all, my name is Anup. In this video I am going to talk a bit about collection view, how to use a same collection view cell for both iPhone and iPad but with different layout and different look. So I have already created a sample project, so I am going to walk you through that. So let's start with the main part of the project, which is going to be the storyboard. Okay, so open up main storyboard. So I have a navigation controller already in place. Let's drag a view controller. Let's make the view controller as the root view controller. Now grab a collection view. So let's put all the constraints. Yeah, that's it. Now let's start creating a collection view cell. Let's begin for iPhone. So let's make it look like a table view cell. So now drag a image view and two labels. So I'm going to place an image and a title and subtitle label. Okay, let's put all the constraints. These constraints may not be accurate, but it's just for the demo purpose. Yeah, now I'm going to set a sample image. Now change the class to sample item collection view cell, which I have already created. Now connect all the interface elements. Okay, now go to view controller now and give it a class as view controller, which is already in place, and connect the sample collection view interface element to the collection view just for future use, and make sure the data source and delegate are the view controller. So now go to reuse identifier and give cell underscore iPhone as a reuse identifier for iPhone. That's it. Now let's try and run the app. Yeah, you can see the collection view in the table view look. Now let's design the same for iPad. So grab another collection view cell. Just move it below the table view cell. So let's adjust it so that it looks like a card layout. So here also I'm going to do the same thing. Grab an image view and two labels. Provide the constraints. Yeah, set the texture image. Now set the class as sample item collection view cell, and also set the reuse identifier as cell underscore iPad. Now connect all the interface elements. That's it. Now let's choose iPad simulator and try to run it. So you can see now it appears in the card layout for iPad. So we have used the same collection view cell class, which looks as a table view in iPhone and as a collection view card layout in iPad. So now let's go through the other classes. So first we have sample item collection view cell, nothing but a subclass of UI collection view cell, which contains the interface IB interface elements. Now we have a model class which just hold a title and subtitle. Then we have a data store protocol, so which is nothing but which are like convenience method to get the section count, row count, item at index, cell identifier, etc. So which is confirmed by the data source or the data store class. So this is the data store where in which we create the sample data items and assign those to an array. So in the data store protocol extension, you can see we have used all the section count, rows count, item at index, cell identifier, etc. So in the cell identifier we are detecting the reuse identifier based on the user interface idiom. And similarly for item size, also for iPhone I'm just setting the windows width, screens width, and for iPad I just set a random size value which is 172 by 252. And let's go to the view controller, which basically act as the data source for the collection views cell. So which implements number of sections, number of items in section, etc. So which is provided by the data store, thereby we keep the view controller very lean. So in the cell for row at index path we create the cell from the model provided by the data store, and similarly get the size also from the data store. And that's it. Thank you for watching.